Hello everybody. Today I want to show you the easy way how to quickly clean a perch for filleting, cooking and so on. So step one, we make a cutting or incision from the both side of the dorsal fin and separate it from the carcass. Then we can just throw it away. Next step is to separate the skin on the back from the meat. That can be done either with a knife or with the fingers, doesn't matter. Very easy to do. We cut the spine very next to the head with a knife, and taking the head in one hand and the spine in the other hand, we separate one from the other. Also, after that, we cut off the tail fin and all the rest fins. Here you can see the same process, but only with another fin. Here I trim the skin with a knife, just to show you another way how to do that. But after initial cutting with a knife, I'm working with a finger further. Yeah. Here I'm cutting off the fins. and remove the swim bladder. Everything is as easy as it is. No magic. And here you can see the final result after 10 minutes of my job. That's how it looks like. And that's all for today, guys. So see you next time. Bye bye.